In this video we're going to demonstrate how to clean white canvas shoes. Keeping your white shoes looking bright and fresh can be a challenge, but with the right techniques, you can keep them looking as good as new. Let's dive into the best methods for cleaning white canvas shoes. White canvas shoes are stylish but can quickly look worn out if not properly maintained. Dirt, stains, and general wear can diminish their appearance significantly. Regular cleaning not only improves their look but also extends the life of the shoes. You will need the following supplies. Soft brush, an old toothbrush works well. Bowl of warm water. Laundry detergent or a specialized sneaker cleaner. Baking soda and white vinegar, optional for tough stains. A clean cloth. Paper towels or white tissue. Start by removing the laces and insoles from your shoes. This will allow you to clean the tongue of the shoe more thoroughly and let you clean the laces separately. Wash laces in a mix of water and laundry detergent, or replace them if they are particularly dirty. Before you wet the shoes, use a dry soft brush to remove any loose dirt or debris. This makes the wet cleaning process easier and prevents spreading dirt around. Mix a small amount of laundry detergent with warm water in a bowl. For tougher stains, create a paste with 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/2 tablespoon of water, and 1/2 tablespoon of white vinegar. Dip a cloth into the cleaning mixture and gently scrub your shoes. Pay special attention to stains and heavily soiled areas. If using the baking soda paste, apply it directly to the stains and let it sit for 15 minutes before scrubbing. After scrubbing, wipe the shoes with a damp cloth to remove any soap residue. Avoid soaking the canvas to prevent water stains. Stuff your shoes with paper towels or white tissue to absorb moisture and help maintain the shape of the shoes as they dry. Place the shoes in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. Do not use a direct heat source to dry, as this can warp the shoes. Once the shoes and laces are completely dry, reinsert the insoles and relace your shoes. You might consider applying a water repellent spray to protect them from future stains and water damage. That's how you can effectively clean your white canvas shoes, keeping them looking bright and new. Regular maintenance will ensure that your favorite pair of white shoes remains a staple in your wardrobe for a long time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.